Seaweed Synergist is the latest high-tech product of Wuzhou Company. It is elaborately produced with biofermented highly active seaweed extract, combining with chelated calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and other medium and trace elements. All the raw materials were self-developed and scientifically proportioned. The multiple effective ingredients contained in the synergist have a reasonable distribution ratio, which could be synergistic with each other and maximize the effectiveness. Wuzhou Seaweed Synergist is stable, 100% water-soluble and highly soluble, which can be configured into a high-concentration synergist solution. The dissolved solution is brown, without insoluble impurities, which can be used for the surface spraying of conventional fertilizers. The process is simple to operate, and the efficiency and utilization of fertilizers after the spraying would significantly be improved. At the same time, the growth of crops can be promoted with active ingredients in this synergist. The added value of fertilizer products can be effectively increased, and the market competitiveness of original products is enhanced. Now, let us demonstrate the spraying process of Seaweed Synergist with the following animation. There are three types of equipment included for the Seaweed Synergist surface spraying: mixing and storage system, the pumping system, and the liquid spraying system. The mixing and storage system is divided into two parts: the mixing tank and the storage tank. The seaweed synergist powder and water are stirred and mixed evenly in the mixing tank. The appropriate seaweed synergist proportion is measured and adjusted according to the actual working concentration. A heating coil is installed outside the tank to keep the tank body heated, and to speed up the dissolving process and increase the solubility of the synergist increases. The well-mixed seaweed synergist passes through the filtering device, enters the storage tank and stores there for future use. The pumping system is composed of a numerically controlled precision pump and a piping system, interlocking and controlling with a raw material measuring belt scale to perform the ratio measurement. It can be practically and flexibly adjusted and adapted with the spraying requirements of different raw materials according to actual customers' needs. The liquid spraying is carried out in the coating drum. The coating drum has a diameter of 1.8 meters and a length of 8 meters. The nozzle position is about 1.5 meters into the tank body, and the nozzle is sprayed toward the material at 30 degrees from the vertical direction, since the proportion of water will be added during the process of adding seaweed synergist at about 0.5% in order to dry this portion of water. You may choose to add a drying device, natural gas burners, oil burners, etc. are recommended for this purpose. The surface spraying technology of Seaweed Synergist is simple to operate and does not require much improving modification of the original fertilizer production equipment, which can be used for surface spraying of BB fertilizer, granular fertilizer, etc. In the current circumstances, where the captation of chemical fertilizer homogenization is severely and the profitability of conventional fertilizer is low, surface spraying of seaweed synergist can be regarded as an effective and simple method for product upgrading.